An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. By Benjamin Franklin. Hello world. Here, I've decided to create a crash course for next 1 month, starting from today, 24th April 2020 till 24 May 2020. Someone has said it right. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. I shall be posting videos every day from Saturday to Thursday, where I shall be teaching students studying in middle school, that is from class 5 till class 8. I will not only be teaching lessons but also be sharing my notes, tips and tricks for parents as well as students to help them perform well in school. I love learning, and more than that, I love sharing what I have learned. The beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. You are welcome to the crash course. Learn to grow. Ramadan Kareem.